Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Rachel and I'm an Egyptology PhD candidate at the University of Liverpool, and welcome to part 2 of how to write hieroglyphs. So in this video we're going to go through 5 signs, the one consonant signs for P, F, M, N and R, but first here's another general tip for writing hieroglyphs. So if any of you have ever seen my Instagram, you'll see that I always write out my hieroglyphic transcriptions on lined paper, and it just makes it so much easier for writing them in a straight line. But if you do want to write on plain paper, I would definitely recommend writing yourself out some guidelines, maybe in pencil or something, so you can rub them out at the end, just because it looks so much neater when your text goes all in a straight line. And if you do feel a bit bad for having to write out some guidelines, don't worry about it. This is actually something that the ancient Egyptians themselves did. We have texts that survive from ancient Egypt with evidence of guidelines on them, so you can just think of it as being more authentic. But now onto the signs that we're going to go through today, and we're going to carry on from where part 1 finished and going through the Egyptian alphabet, starting with the sign for P. So this first one is really easy, you literally just have to draw a square. But the important thing here is just to try and make sure all of the sides are as straight and as close to the same length as you can get them. To draw the viper, you want to start with drawing a circle for its head, just at a little bit of an angle. And since this is a horned viper, add 2 curved lines for its horns, and then finish it off with a wiggly line for the body. For the owl, we start with the head, so draw a curved horizontal line for the top of the head, and the ends of this are going to be the points for the ears. Then from each end, draw a line downwards that curves at the bottom to make the shape of the face. And from the bottom of the right hand line, draw a long diagonal line and add another diagonal line with a curve at the top for the wing, just like the vulture we do in part 1. And the body is also the same as the vulture, so draw a partial rectangle from the other edge of the head to midway up the wing, a diagonal rectangle joined to the body and the wing for the tail, and then a line separating the bottom of the body and 2 vertical lines down for the legs and a horizontal line for the feet. And then for the face, add a horizontal line with a triangle in the middle which makes its beak. This one's quite easy, you're just drawing a zigzag which is going downwards at the ends, and if you're doing it smaller you can just do it really quick, like this. The last sign is the mouth sign, which is kind of just a pointy oval. You're going to draw a line curving upwards first, and then a line curving downwards which joins it at the ends, and that's it. So that's all for this video, but see you in the next one for more hieroglyphs.